It is hot and sticky outside, and chances are if you have air conditioning, you're turning it on, maybe for the first time this summer. Well, the Approved Home Pro Show is here with some ways to cut down on your electric bill. Clint August is the host of the show. Clint, good morning.
Good morning to you. I was riding yesterday through Ramona, where they're talking about all the fire watches and all that, and trust me, it felt like I was riding through a dryer, 97 degrees, and when I got home, I was cranking the AC. I'm sure you did as well, right?
Well, therein lies the problem. As my husband said, please don't turn it on because he's worried about $400 electric bills later on in the summer. So we sat at home and we're hangry, hot and angry.
All right, well, you don't have to do that anymore. That's part of the reason that we're having these Hero highlights here through the Hero program. You're going to see this and hear this frequently here on the Approved Home Pro Show. And we also have Carini Heating and Air Conditioning in studio. They're part of the Hero program. This really makes it easy for you to get energy efficient upgrades. You can conserve water. You can do really no money out of pocket up front and up to 18 months with no payments. And that's the Hero highlight we're going to talk about with Carini Heating and Air. Gabriel, how are you?
Good morning.
And we have Greg Cantor, resident pro and co-host with Murray Lampert Design, Build, Remodel. He's the expert that we ask a bunch of questions to. Well, first of all, with Carini Heating and Air Conditioning, what do you do for the customer?
Well, primarily we're a residential heating and air conditioning company. And paired with Hero, we can go and do assessments on people's homes and offer air conditioning, solar, water upgrades, anything that can conserve energy or water.
All right.
Well, it's great to have you on the show, Gabriel. You brought a couple systems here. What are the popular energy upgrades that people are doing right now? And I know it doesn't have to break the bank if you do it right. So explain what these systems are that you brought to the show.
Sure. Well, the biggest user of our electricity in the homes these days is our air conditioning system. And so what we have here are a couple of options of systems that we use in the home here in Southern California. This one here you're probably most familiar with is our standard central air conditioning system. This is a variable speed Bryant air conditioning unit.
So when you say variable speed, it automatically adjusts based on the need?
Correct. It has anywhere from 25% to 100% of its output, so you don't have to use, most systems are on-off where they use 100% all the time. This is much more efficient because you don't have to use all of it.
Okay. And then this is a split system right here?
Correct. This is our Fujitsu Mini Split system. These are becoming more popular because you're able to zone houses. This is an air handler here that can be placed in separate rooms, and you can condition spaces independently when you're occupying them without having to condition the entire home.
So this is something that's entirely scalable, where if you just want to start out with one room that you want to cool, you install this unit and eventually you could add more rooms as time goes on, right?
Correct. With one outdoor heat pump, you can do up to 9 separate air handlers in each one of the rooms and control those spaces independently. They're very advanced.
Excellent.
Okay, and the bottom line is that through these variable speeds and all of this, you can actually condition your home and be comfortable, and that's what's going to save you money. Also, through the Hero program, to get involved in upgrades like this, we do have a social media question that we want to get to. With Hero, is there a limit to the number of energy upgrades that we can do at one time, or is that simply restricted by the amount we are approved for?
Well, it's based on the amount you're approved for. So up to that total amount, you can do solar, you can do tankless water heaters, turf. There are a number of
60 different categories,
correct,
right?
Correct.
And then you help package all of those together, right?
Absolutely. Working with other subcontractors that are Hero approved, we can get all of those done at the same time.
Okay, so to be clear, we just want to make sure that you know that you can contact Hero directly through approvedhomepros.com/Hero or 844-GO4HERO. That's 844-GO, the number 4HERO. Or you can go through companies like Carini Heating and Air Conditioning, and they can walk you through the program as well. Again, this is a really great way, Heather, for you to experience these energy efficiency upgrades, water conservation through the Hero program, and that's our Hero highlight.
Fantastic. Gentlemen, thank you so much. ApprovedHomePros.com, again, is the website if folks need some more information on any other local Approved Home Pro as well. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.